Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another Python tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to be creating a very simple basic calculator which can do simple calculations, subtract, add and stuff. So without wasting much time, let's begin. So open up Visual Studio Code and then we're gonna make a new file. I'm gonna name it as calculator.py. Now here we're gonna define a function. We're gonna name it as define sum and we're gonna say a and b. Now we're gonna say return a plus b because we need the sum. And if you change the value of plus to minus, then it will minus if you want to. So next we're going to say x equals input. Please enter the first number. So now we're going to take the input of the user and make him enter the first number. Next we're gonna say y equals input. Please enter the second number. Now the user can input the second number. Now we're gonna say z. Now we're gonna say integer x and integer y. Now this will make the thing add. Now we're gonna say input, please wait, your answer is being calculated. Now this is just to make it a little bit dramatic. It won't actually load and stuff. So now we're going to say make them press enter, because everyone is not a programmer and they don't know that they have to press enter, right? So if the user doesn't know programming and stuff, so he should be told that you should press enter to go to the next step. Now we're gonna say print your answer is strz, because the adding function is stored in the z variable. Now we're going to run the program and see what it shows. So it's saying enter the first number. I'm going to say 45, the next number 36. The answer is being calculated. The answer is 81. So congratulations, you have made a very working basic calculator. So thank you very much for watching and bye bye.